Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander where we'll be doing some body work on it and painting it. Stay tuned to see the transformation. So as you can see, we're taping up the chrome moldings around the bumper where it's damaged from, where we'll be sanding. So as we are sanding, we are using a 180 grit sandpaper on the DA to smooth out the hard edges on the damaged area of the bumper. So after smoothing down the damaged area, we're using a 240 grit sandpaper to cut out the 180 grit sandpaper scratches and to feather edge the rest of the bumper. So we'll be repairing the hood on this Mitsubishi Outlander also. The hood had some stone chips and small dents on it, so we're sanding down the damaged area and feather edging the hood also. The body filler has been applied. We're just waiting on it to get hard so we can sand it down and smooth it out. So over here we're scuffing down the rear bumper on this Mitsubishi Outlander as it's going to be painted also. As there's damage on the rear bumper, we will be repairing it to our best knowledge. So after the filler on the front bumper dried that was placed on the damaged area, we will sand it down and smooth it down to its best shape possible. So now that all the bodywork has been completed and done, we're going to prime this hood and the rest of the panels with high build 2K primer, which we'll later sand down and get ready for paint. So roughly we would like to put 2 to 3 coats on each area that we're gonna prime so that we could sand it down, and after it's sanded down, not all the primer is removed. So finally the car has been prepped and is ready to be painted. So we put the car in the booth, masked it up, and let's see how the paint job ends up. If you've been enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment please.